What goes into flying private and buying a charter flight over buying an airline ticket? Well, it's a much more personalized experience from the get-go. So you would call me up or send me an email or even a text and let me know where you want to go. Then I will be in touch with you, asking the questions that are necessary for me to find you the right airplanes for the mission. And then I will give you, once I've collected all the information from you, I will give you quotes and explain the different types of aircraft that are available. It's much more hands-on, more tailored to you, more customizable, and much more personal experience than simply just Googling an airline flight and booking an airline ticket. So yes, an airline ticket only takes a couple minutes to book, and a charter flight does take a little bit more, but you're going to get so much more out of it. It's definitely an elevated experience, and it's first class service, and I would love the opportunity to book you and fly you sometime. So give me a call.